I first heard about Emily Henderson when we were getting ready to buy our house in Sioux Falls, our first house. I started reading a lot of blogs, including Emily's, and I found some rooms that she had done that really were inspiring to me. When I saw the contest come up, I saw it immediately the first day it came out and was really excited by the chance to get to meet Emily and work with her on a room.
For sure. I started following Emily because Ray was following Emily, and then she entered and didn't tell me.
Brian and Kristen had a special story, one that I wanted to be part of in a helpful way. When we read Ryan's entry and when we saw the room, and they both had so much potential for this project. It was like they were the perfect partnership for us to come in and brighten up the room.
I entered the contest shortly after we found out that Kristen was diagnosed with cancer. And that first month after she was diagnosed, things were really hard. And I just kind of envisioned the next months of your life being stuck in that sad room. When I saw the contest and I read about the skylights and the new design, I was excited to envision you somewhere that was light and happy and comforting and a bit more healing for you than what we had before.
I'm glad you were optimistic and thought we could win, because I just scrolled past it.
Before the makeover, the bedroom was kind of dark, uninspiring, and it just seemed like the room that they hadn't gotten to yet. The potential to make it this really bright, airy, but cozy, inviting, comfortable room was immediate. Like, I knew how to do that. We didn't want a lot of, contrasting patterns, but we wanted it to feel very textural, very layered, which makes it feel very comfortable and still gives it, the depth that you want in a room without all the stuff. We just wanted it to be where you walk in and you feel, hugged and enveloped by this comfort and light.
Oh my gosh! Look at the dresser!
Beautiful. I love the pictures. Look at the bed. This is crazy.
That is
Wow.
so cool! I can't believe this!
Gosh.
Oh my gosh, Emily! This is amazing!
Oh, you're so The general vibe is airy, cozy, a lot of nature inside, right? So we have wood motifs, nature, even plants over here to kind of, bring that in, because while you might be laying in bed all day doesn't mean that you can't feel that vibe, because it makes you feel good.
It's true.
That's awesome.
Which is, obviously why we did the skylights. So you can even look up and see the sky, clouds, stars.
I love it.
I can't believe this is our house. This is incredible.
It feels so totally different.
Yeah.
I bring nature inside because I think it makes people feel calm, just happier, more grounded. We spend so much time inside, so why not bring some of the elements that we love outside in?
She really did a great job with the room. It feels like us. It feels like a reflection of our style.
Incorporating elements of nature, which that's the reason we came to Utah, was because we were so excited to spend more time in the mountains and outside. So she took that into account.
For every project, we try and bring natural elements into the space, and we do this through organic materials like wood and leather and woven materials, but also through plants, literally by bringing in nature, and through natural light. The skylights absolutely transformed the space. Natural light is what will make a room feel happier instantly. It's like a designer's best friend. Adding the skylights, it instantly came alive, like that.
It's nice to have that morning light come in and fill the room.
It feels like a very happy light. Mm-hmm. It's something that we couldn't have achieved with adding more lamps or something. It's
different.
The new design of the bedroom is more than I ever could have hoped for. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel grateful. It makes me feel calm.
I think my biggest thing is gratitude. I still can't believe that it's ours. The amount of time and effort it must have gone in to find all of that stuff. Her team just did a really amazing job.
I feel spoiled. It was all very
spoiled. Yeah.
It was so thoughtful. Every detail was very thoughtful.
The stress that they're dealing with right now is the real stress. I'm hoping that this makeover, having a new beautiful bedroom, will really distract from that. If you are happier in your home, if you are proud of it, if you feel comfortable, if you feel like it represents your style, everything about you is happier. Like emotionally, physically, you come home every day, you bring that to work, you bring that to your relationships. It's so transformative to have a home or a room or space that you're proud of.